Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. Got to be honest, this thing flexed its muscles pretty big. I was a lot more bearish on it going into the day, but it was very polite about it. What do I mean by that? Well, at least it gapped up and kind of let everybody know, hey, we're gapping up. There's some strength here, rather than, one of those situations where it's looking like it might be weak, and then all of a sudden it just turns out to be strong. It never looked like it was going to be weak today. Like I said, and granted, the markets as a whole were relatively polite, gapping up, kind of letting everybody know that it would be a strong environment. But nonetheless, some house cleaning needs to be done. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these lines here. Sure, those levels pertain. They're just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first big update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And this actually played out just perfect. I mean, beautifully today. You could throw this right into a textbook, but the price broke with the gap up above that level. So at that point, you would want to see this area act as support. And sure, the price didn't hit it exactly, but I think we can all agree for a $50+ stock, sure did get very, very close in both those situations. And good to see that that level is now acting as support. So moral of the story, 54.15 going to be the level of support going forward to watch. Now, preferably speaking, in terms of, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can stay up above 55.40, that would be a fantastic sign of power. With that being said, though, don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price falls below that level, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to stay above that level, definitely would be a very impressive area of strength. As far as levels of resistance are concerned now, key level to watch, going to be right up there at, where essentially the price is right now at the 56 cent mark, or not 56 cents, $56 mark. And then if the price can push up through there, next key area right up around 57.35. But all in all, very impressive movement today. Let's just see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.